oh, 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 and I pray. I just can't sleep tonight, knowing that things ain't right. It's in the papers, it's on the TV, it's everywhere that I go. Children are crying, soldiers are dying, some people don't have a home. But I know there's sunshine behind that rain, I know there's good times behind that pain. Hey, can you tell me how I can make a change? I close my eyes and I can see a brighter day. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray. I lose my appetite, knowing kids start tonight. Am I a sinner? Cause my dinner is still on my plate. Ooh, I got a vision to make a difference, and it's starting today. Cause I know there's sunshine behind that rain, I know there's good times behind that pain. Hey, can you tell me how I can make a change? I close my eyes and I can see a brighter day. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and I pray for the broken hearted. I pray for the life not started. I pray for all the ones not breathing. I pray for all the souls in need. I pray, can you give them one today? I just can't sleep tonight. Can someone tell me how to make a change? I close my eyes